Hey, Dr. Huebner, this is Charliette Cummins. I know it's been a while since I connected with you and I had my surgery, but I needed to show you this because this is just crazy. So let me bend this down. I literally look like it's nothing has happened. This is insane. This growth that I have is just crazy. Can you see it? As well as this is the front. And this is crazy. This is hair that I didn't even have before the surgery as a child. It wasn't as thick as this. So my question to you is Dr. Huebner, do you actually have a referral program? Because if you do, I'm about to blow you up. So just let me know. Hope all is well. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and let me know.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.